Triple P, pleasure and pain, passion all the same. Guy, this Finidi George and what did they call him? Osimhen matter. What is your take on top this matter? Because me, I don't understand. Then say Osimhen reply Finidi.
Okay.
On top waiting Finidi no talk. If you like say I one reporter, one journalist go carry news we no correct.
Okay.
But waiting be your mind on top this whole matter, this whole saga don't go.
First of all, as a player of that Osimhen caliber, there are some kind of steps you go take to address that kind of thing. Because to me, that issue should be an internally treated matter.
So how you go take handle am now? You be Osimhen.
Fine. The Football Federation get body.
Hey.
Osimhen talk say the guy call like he call am after he go doing MRA test or whatever.
For that injury to determine whether
so normally if it was a